Hi guys, my name is Philip Yakea, and today I would like to discuss about principles of political management. And I would like to say that for effective political management, actually it involves a wide range of principles and strategies that are designed to achieve the goals and objectives of a political organization or any campaign. Okay, from planning and organizing to leading and controlling. Okay, these principles do provide a framework for how political organizations operate and how they interact with their stakeholders. Um, okay, in this analysis, I'll I'll actually examine some of the key principles of political management and how they can be applied to ensure the success of a political organization. And one of the principles I think I've touched in my introduction, one of it is planning. Okay, in any political organizations, in my view, they must have a clear vision of what they want to achieve and plan for how they will accomplish it. Okay, this it may involve setting goals and objectives and determine the best strategies and tactics to achieve them. And one of the goals that can also be used by um, political organizations in management is organizing. Okay, political organizations must have a clear structure and a chain of command that allows for effective decision making and communication. Okay, this involves assigning tasks and responsibilities and creating a system for coordinating the efforts of different departments and individuals. Yeah, okay. Another one is leading. Okay, in leading, we may say that political leaders must be able to inspire and motivate their supporters and guide them towards the achievement of the organization's goals. Okay, this may involve setting a clear vision and direction and communicating it effectively to the organization's stakeholders. Okay, then we also have controlling, of which political organizations must be able to monitor and evaluate their performance and take corrective actions when necessary. Um, okay, this involves setting performance standards and tracking progress towards the achievement of the organization's goals. We also have coordinating, um, and this involves political organizations that they must be able to align the efforts of different departments and individuals towards a common goal. Um, okay, this may involve building strong relationships with key stakeholders and working together towards the common good. Then we move to decision making, of which in decision making we realize that political organizations they must be able to analyze information. They must be able to evaluate opinions. They and make sound decisions that will move the organization forward. Okay, this requires strong analytical skills and the ability to think strategically. Then we also have communication, where I may say that political organizations, they must be able to change information and ideas with their stakeholders, both inside and outside the organization. Um, okay, this may involve effective communication at all levels. Okay, from one-on-one conversations to mass media campaigns. Then we also move to innovation, where political socializations must be able to come up with new ideas and approaches to solve problems and improve their operations. Okay, this requires a culture of creativity and innovation and the willingness to take calculated risks. We also have adaptability, where political organizations must be flexible and actually be open to change and be able to adapt to new situations and challenges. Okay, this requires a culture of continuous learning and improvement, and the ability to adapt to changing circumstances. Yeah, then we have teamwork. Um, Political organizations must be able to build and maintain effective relationships with their stakeholders. Okay, and work together to achieve common goals. Okay, this requires strong leadership and ability to foster a sense of unity and purpose within the organization. I think for the Kenyans, we have seen this with Governor Mwangaza, Governor Meru County, um, who has been having some issues with the MCS, and even at the moment, she is waiting for her trial tomorrow on Friday to hear whether her case will be, whether she'll continue to be the governor of Meru or she'll have to be dismissed. Okay, that is an issue of teamwork. I think there is a problem with teamwork in Meru County. They have to work on that. There is need for cohesion between the MCS and the governor. Yeah, I think there is a need for them to work on that in future.